5 secrets truck drivers use to stay comfortable. Truck drivers are familiar with feeling sore, stiff, and fatigued at the end of long shifts. Sitting for long periods of time can be hard on muscles and bones, but many truckers have found solutions that keep them comfortable over long hours and many miles. Why do truckers experience so much discomfort? A poor truck seat is one culprit, as a lack of ergonomics can have physical and psychological effects. But here are 5 secrets truckers use to stay comfortable all day. Number 1. Position the steering wheel such that the wrist is flat over the wheel while the shoulder blades are against the seat back. Number 2. Adjust the seat so your legs can reach the brake pedal, but are parallel to the ground and bend about 120 degrees when braking. Number 3. Use lumbar support, preferably that is adjustable, so it can be increased over the course of travel. Number 4. Adjust mirrors so you don't stretch to see nearby cars. This can cause unnecessary strain that can hurt your back. Number 5. Replace truck seats that wear out, which can cause an unhealthy sitting environment, with modern, ergonomic solutions. Replacement truck seats are ideal for improving truck driver comfort, health, and safety. Purchase new seats by leading manufacturers from Suburban Seating and Safety, where we offer a wide range of products, custom options, and accessories. Place your order or call 844-727-7328 today.